Now that our app is deployed, we can test it properly by adding it as a custom search engine. So inside of Firefox, we'll follow the same steps as before. Open the extension. We'll call this Rusty Bunny It Worked. We'll paste in the URL and make sure you have that /search $command equals. Add in the %s. You can add an icon if you want. I don't have one. We'll hit add search engine. We'll open the page actions menu, add search engine. And now let's make it the default. Navigate to about, preferences, #search, and change it to the one that we just added. And now let's test it out. We'll type in hello world again. And it works. Great. Let's also add it to Chrome. To add it to Chrome, we'll go to Chrome, //settings/search engines camelcase. You can add it as a new one, or we can modify the Rusty Bunny local by clicking the 3 dots and clicking edit. And we'll call this Rusty Bunny It Worked. We'll leave the keyword and we'll change the URL. We'll hit save. And now let's test it out again. We'll search on Twitter. And there we go. Now it's officially installed in both Firefox and Chrome using our production application deployed to Heroku. Great job.